Hi, it's Sam from Reno Trades and welcome to Project Hampton. This is our latest Bayside project which we started about a week ago. We've completed a full demolition already and this is going to be a full house renovation. Come on through and I'll show you what we've done. Welcome back to our Bayside project. Come on through. So I'm standing here in the kitchen and to my left you can see where the original wall once stood. We've completely opened up the space to create an open plan living area that seamlessly connects with the kitchen. Working closely with our client, we designed this space to include classic shaker style cabinetry. The shaker doors have a 2-pack painted finish. We've incorporated 40mm stone benchtops and carefully selected all the hardware and fixtures to perfectly capture the timeless elegance of the Hamptons style. We chose 100 by 100 tiles for the splashback to seamlessly align with the overall style of the property. One of the key features of this kitchen when we designed it is this ceramic butler's sink. This property features 3 bathrooms, thoughtfully designed with carefully selected fixtures and tiles to harmonise with the overall aesthetic of the home. We've used 600 by 600 porcelain tiles on the floor and 1 feature wall, paired with matte white tiles on the remaining walls. The brushed nickel tapware is complemented by sleek frameless glass shower screens, creating a refined and cohesive look. We've designed this laundry to complement the kitchen, ensuring a consistent look throughout the home.